Welcome to JOUAV, a global leading industrial UAV manufacturer and solution provider. JOUAV was founded in 2010 in Chengdu, China, with a mission to transform drones into essential tools for various industries. Over the years, JOUAV has grown from a drone autopilot provider to a full drone industry chain company. Our product lineup includes VTOL drones, multi-rotor drones, and VTOL hangars. Our versatile drones range from 7 kilograms to 100 kilograms maximum takeoff weight, handle payloads up to 25 kilograms, fly up to 10 hours, and cover distances up to 1,000 kilometers. Equipped with advanced sensors such as RGB, oblique, gimbal, LiDAR, multispectral, hyperspectral, and mini-SAR, JOUAV drones are suitable for mapping, surveillance, emergency response, public safety, and more. Innovation and quality are in our DNA. With 200-plus R&D experts, we've secured 400-plus UAV patents and copyrights. Our global recognition includes ISO 9001:2015, Red Dot Winner 2020, CES Innovation Award 2022, CMMI, and 5-star after-sales service certification. We have also achieved significant milestones throughout the journey. In 2015, JOUAV launched the first VTOL drone in China. In 2021, JOUAV became the first drone company listed on the Shanghai Stock Exchange Star Market. In that same year, we unveiled the world's first hydrogen-powered VTOL drone. In 2022, we ranked among the top 5 global civilian drone manufacturers. In 2023, JOUAV Tech Park, a 54,000 square meters drone production base, was launched. Today, JOUAV drones are trusted by over 1,500 customers across 40 countries, accumulating over 500,000 flight hours. But this is just the beginning. Looking ahead, we will uphold the philosophy of technological innovation, aviation quality, and service first, helping people minimize risks and maximize profits. JOUAV. Make your mission easier, safer, and faster.